Hi, this is Mel B, and I have a great review today for our super short, cute pixie. Are you one of my silver girls out there and you just want something so lightweight? This is it. This is from Raquel Welch, straight chic, 2.12 ounces. That's it. And the color is silver. It is the 5660 silver color. It comes in petite average. So this is for my ladies who are like me. I'm 21 1/4 inch circumference. That means around this way. And that's what fits me the best. And that's what this comes in. And at the time of watching this video, it's like around $220. It's such a great price budget and the low cost of wigs. I think this is a great one. Let's take a look at the cap. It's heat-friendly fiber. So imagine that this really short pixie, you can put some curls in it, but you can see here it has like a little mono crown. So the hair back there just falls natural the way that your hair would fall back there. It does have a mono front. You can see that here lace right here in the front. The rest of it's wefted. And here in the back wefted and does have some good stretch. We've got our velvet nape. We have our velvet adjusters, velvet ear tabs. The hair is sewn in right under the inside. Love it, love it. It's great, great cap construction. So let's put it on and check her out. The misconception with short wigs so often is that they going to come to you one way. Well, you're going to get it out of the box, shake it out. And then you're going to get it and play with it. Use your fingers, maybe use water, whatever you want to do, a wide tooth comb, but play with it because you want to get it on there and get it to where it fits your face shape. We all have a different face shape: oval, round, square, triangular, heart shape. So you want to find what it is that wig looks good for your face shape, even short ones, because sometimes we want more bangs and sometimes we want it off. And the beauty of this is that you're going to be able to do that. See how easy? Running my fingers back through it. You can use some water, some wig wax, and be able to style it the way that you want it. Okay, I want it back a little bit further like that. Again, it's going to look different on you depending on your placement of where on your forehead that you want to wear it. So look at this, great pixie style, just put it on. And for me, I'm ready to go out the door. I think this is such a great casual look. It can be elegant, whatever it is that you do to it that you want to make it look great for you. Put on some glamour earrings, put on some big earrings, bold earrings. You're going to give it a whole different look. This is a great style for me because I already have this length of hair, but it's so super thin. I just don't have the confidence to wear it out in public. So for me, I found one in this that looks so much like my real hair, color-wise and everything, that I can put this on and even my own family won't know that I have a wig on. They'll say, is that a wig or is that your real hair? That's a good question to ask right when it's your family and they see you all the time. So again, this is off the face. If you want that really kind of classic off the face look, I think that's a great look. I like that you can then put it down towards your face. And you know what? You can get messy with it. You can get funky with it. You can do fun things like this. You know, get your hand in there and see what it will do for you and a look that you want. You know, you might say, oh, I'm too old for this look. But maybe you're one of my people that follow me out there and you see this video that you're younger. This is a fashion look. Silvers now are fashion. This silver gray like this, you can see there's real white in the front, and then it gets a little bit darker in the back, but not a lot. It's very consistent throughout, but some really good sprinkling. So you're younger, you want to look trendy, you want to look funky. This is what we can do. I like that. This is fun. This is me sometimes. And then other times, I just want to go back to just, you know, I wake up in the morning, I'm going to throw a wig on, maybe I'm going to go to the mailbox, maybe I'm just going to go down to the market, and, you know, I just want to look casually me and out the door. Maybe it'd be great to wear it for working out because it's short, it's off the neck. You know, we think of these for summer. In some parts of the world right now, like Texas and other places, it's hot. And this is a great summer length. And other places, it's starting, where I am right now, it's starting to get cold. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to wrap up in turtlenecks. I'm going to wrap up into a scarf. Yes, and then again, so this is an all year round wig. This is from season to season. Just depends on how you're going to accessorize it, how you're going to make it your own, what vibe you're in, from funky to casual to chic. I don't know. How would you wear this? Comment down below and let me know, how would you wear this? This is straight chic from Raquel Welch, and the color silver. It comes in 30 different colors. Check out my link below and see what other colors it comes in. If you're looking for a great pixie at a great price, you can't beat this one. It's really cute. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your subscriptions really help the algorithms for me. It helps me get this out to other ladies like us who want to know wigs and who want to see wigs. Oh, and I almost forgot. I know which ones of you out there will tell me too. I'm going to turn around. So I hope you didn't leave before I did this. We'll find out. Comment below. Did you stick around to see this? Okay, I'm going to turn around and show the side and the back. Isn't that a great hairline in the back? I love that. This is a great wig. So comment down below. Did you stick around to the end? Did you watch it all to see? Okay, I'll know if somebody tells me you didn't show the back. I'll know if they watched it all or not. I'm just kidding, you guys. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all being here, and I hope this helps you. It helps me when all the other ladies out there have contributed and helped me knowing wigs and what wigs, and I hope that I'm able to here to help you too. And I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.